So what you can also do inside of Corel Draw is utilize AutoFit for designs. So to go ahead and do that, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and insert out a shape. Let's say, for example, this particular shape right here, and add in a color over here, just like this as well. So over here, you can see that I have a random design right here. And if I were to group it, you can see that this is the graphics that I have. And this is in a A4 size paper right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and utilize AutoFit so that the work area right here, or the artboard, only covers up the size needed for this particular graphics. In that case, you can click outside right here and you get this option, AutoFit base. If I were to go ahead and click, then you can go ahead and increase out the margin according to how you like. Like, let's say, for example, you can make it 0.05, or let's just make 0.5 right here, just like this. And if I were to click on AutoFit base, then you can see that there's 0.5 margin on all of the sides right here, just like this. So that is how you can utilize the AutoFit for designs option inside of Corel Draw right here. If I were to go around and keep it 0 and then click on AutoFit, this is what you have right here. If I were to go to 2 inch right here, let's say, for example, go around onto AutoFit, then there's 2 inch of space from the design, as you can see right here. No matter which size the design is right here, you can go ahead and utilize AutoFit right here, just like this, and the artboard will resize accordingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.